What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making Angira. So I'm just from the market and all we need is white beans and we need uthigu. This is uthigu, I don't know how it's called in English. It's a little bit slippery and we need this. Then this is shea butter. My grandmother sent me all the way from the village, so make sure that you have this edible shea butter. And then lastly we shall need sodium bicarbonate or kadawasi, the way we call it. That's how it looks. Or alternatively you can use the burnt ash. The local one is the best, I recommend. If you don't, you can just use magadi salt as an alternative for sodium bicarbonate. So now guys, we have all our ingredients here ready, and I'm going to show you step by step of how you can make the best Angira you can. So first thing is we are going to sort these beans, and then what I'll do first is to first make fire, because I'm going to use charcoal because the beans take so long to get ready. We're gonna leave it here for the fire to catch, and let's rush back to. Also, before we start sorting, you can see the shea butter is in solid form. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put it outside to melt in sun slowly. There's no sun today, so I'm just going to put it here just in case the sun comes out. I'm going to leave it here. So this is another job. We are going to start with the beans. I'll just measure 1 cup of beans. I'm using this cup. Depending on how many people are going to eat the food, you measure according to that amount. So I'll just keep the remaining one. So I'll pour my beans here. This is the beans we are going to sort. I'll add some water here, so I'll just pick up the beans and put them here. Water. Now I have my water. Let's sort the beans real quick. So now this is our beans. The ones floating are bad ones, so we are just going to take them away. And so this is the beans. We are going to wash it. I'll go to the sink, rinse it, and then put it in the saucepan, and then put it on fire. So I washed the beans real well. Now I'll just transfer it to the saucepan. I have some hot water, so I'll just put water, cover it. Actually, I have to add more water. Fire is ready, so we are just going to put the beans. For hours, 1 or 2 hours, I don't know. So while it's cooking, let's work on this. So I'll just cut it. And we are going to wash it first and then pluck it together. Here we go. Now we have to pluck it. Here is how we pluck uthigu. You're just going to pick one. You see this? Pluck this. Pluck the leaves like this. Like this. Put them on the side. You just get these, just in case you didn't know how to pluck it. I know people don't know how to do it, that's why I'm showing you. The remainder is here and it's still too much, so this alone is enough because we don't want too much of it. So we're just going to go with this that we have plucked, the rest for another use. After plucking it, I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. You can use a chopping board if you want to, but I don't have that energy right now. So now, to my ladies who are planning to marry Alur men, you need to learn how to make Angira, because if you don't, hey, how are you going to cook for the in-laws? How are you going to cook for your husband? You know what I'm saying? Because this is it's like a delicacy for the Alur people, I think I know. And also other Luo people. My Luo people, please comment, tell me which Luo you are and afo you madid. So guys, here you go. This is our uthigu. This is our bicarbonate. We are going to get back to this later because the key component in the ingredient, which is the beans, is still cooking. So about 1 or 2 hours. See you then. Alright guys, so welcome back. Our beans are ready. So you can see I've transferred it to the gas cooker. So we are going to pick up from here. Also today the sun was not cooperating, but we got our shea butter melted. At least this will work. So now our beans is ready. See, if you're not sure, you can just grab some and then get some to press. You can see that. So I'll add some sodium bicarbonate and make sure it's on low heat, which is right here, already washed. So we shall just leave it open and let it cook for a couple of minutes. So you can see that. Now we can mix it together.